Hello, I'm Dr. Shuchi Bajaj. If you have just finished with your orthodontic treatment and your orthodontist had advised you to go for retainers and you are confused about why retainers have been advised, for how long do you have to wear these retainers, what are the types of retainers, and what is an approximate cost of these retainers, then this video should help you. First of all, what are retainers? Naturally, if you went for an orthodontic treatment, that means your teeth were not into ideal position. There was spacing or crowding or some other type of malocclusion. Now, when your doctor has done orthodontic treatment for you, they have basically brought these teeth in a proper ideal position, which may look very nice to you, it may be aesthetically very pleasing, functionally it would be much better than what it was before. But because our body is growing and it keeps on growing throughout our life, there are some movements which happens even once your orthodontic treatment has completed. And that is why your doctor advises you to go for something called as retainers. As the name indicates, it is a retainer. It is basically a device to retain your teeth into this new position. If your wisdom tooth is erupting or with your normal bite, there is possibility your teeth may not stay into this normal position if you don't go into retainer. And that is one reason why the relapse happens. So if your doctor has advised you to go for retainers, you definitely have to go for it. Now, talking about the duration for which you should wear your retainer. See, ideally, like I said, your body is growing and growth is a continuous process which happens throughout your life. So naturally, my answer to this is you should wear them permanently. But this is not the answer which most of my patients like, right? Your doctor, whoever has done your treatment, they know how your body was reacting, how easy the movements was, when they had to pull and push the teeth, how flexible your bone was. So according to that, your doctor might give you an approximate tentative idea that, see, at least for this period, do definitely wear your retainers. But ideally, it is good if you keep wearing them permanently, because even if after completion of that duration, your teeth can move into a wrong direction and may if not cause proper relapse, it may still deviate from the position which you have brought your teeth into now. Now, talking about the types of retainers. There are three common types of retainers which we offer to patients at our clinic. First is the fixed or the lingual retainers. These are retainers which are placed inside your mouth. Inside, that means near the tongue side of your mouth, not towards the lips but towards the tongue side. These are also called as permanent retainers, fixed retainers, bonded retainers, lingual retainers. These are various names of these retainers. The benefit about fixed retainer is, as the name indicates, it is fixed. It is bonded to your teeth. You don't have to take it out, you don't have to put it on, so it is fixed in your mouth. But drawback with this type of retainer is sometimes it interferes when you close your mouth and gradually it leaves your teeth and it comes out and may injure your mouth somewhere. You may witness a feeling of a sharp edge happening inside your mouth, which you might have felt with an orthodontic treatment as well. So you have to be, and since it can come out, you have to be careful that if the retainer has come out, you can visit your orthodontist and get these retainers placed again. It would be very nice if you do that. Second type of retainer that we offer at our clinic is clear retainers or invisible retainers. The best part about this retainer is that if you are wearing it, it is not visible. This is basically made of a transparent plastic sheet. So even if you are wearing it, it is not so much visible. The third category that we offer is Hawley's retainer. Now this is also second type of removable retainer. Clear retainer is also a removable retainer, and this is also a removable retainer. In this type of retainer, you have a plate, an acrylic plate which is inside the mouth, and then there is a stainless steel wire which is visible. Drawback about this type of retainer is that, again, the steel wire is visible. Sometimes after completing orthodontic treatment, patients don't even want that steel wire to be visible. This is the only drawback of Hawley's appliance. In fact, there is an additional benefit also. Just in case we see that one of your tooth is moving, then Hawley's appliance, in this type of retainer, we also have a chance of sometimes manipulating with the wire and bringing your teeth back into the position. Now talking about the price of these type of retainers. See, price, there is no definite price which I can give you. I can give you a rough range, because naturally pricing depends a lot on which type of lab your doctor is getting these retainers made from, what is the situation of your doctor's clinic. If they are into a big metropolitan city, then the prices would be little higher, and if you get the same treatment done at maybe a little small city, prices may be little cheaper. So approximate price range at my clinic, I offer retainers from around 500 rupees to even up to 8,000 rupees. So it depends on which type of retainer you go for. You go for fixed, you go for Hollies, or you go for clear retainers. And then I also offer patients to whether they want to go for a local lab or a branded lab, and then the prices also vary accordingly. Hope I was able to answer all your questions. If you still have any doubts, you can contact me for teleconsultation. Thank you.